We're 10 seconds out. Plenty of time to tell an announcer you love them if that's what's in your heart. 5 seconds. We're 10 seconds out. Plenty of time to tell an announcer you love them if... 5 seconds. 4, 3, you get it.
'Run and gun!
It's an open secret.
All right, get ready.
Obvious to all that this one is in the bag.
Into the breach. Of course.
All right, everybody, 30 seconds. You got this. Seriously, I just took a look at the other guys and... Whew, 30 seconds. You got this. Know how you'll be able to... Anywhere you are fighting human garbage.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You know what to do. And if you don't, just head toward the sound of smashing towers and try to look busy.
Spotted. My spot. I'm under attack. Uh-huh. Of course.
Oh, I'm open all night.
As you say. Yes? Yeah. Yes. You die. Going ballistic. Kill shot. My spotter direct.
Denied.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
First blood.
Sure is shooting. Yes. Not by a long shot. A no trajectory. Sniping. Ha-ha! Yes. Take this. Line of sight. Snipe hunt. Ha-ha. Shoot 'em up. Trick shot. Spot on. Yes. I owe you one. Full bore. Shrapnel. Uh-huh. Target practice paying off. Yes. Of course. Line of sight. Mhm. A no trajectory. Yeah. My spotter direct. Uh-huh. Yes. Spot on. Nice hunt. Into the breach. Eat lead. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Eat lead. Yes.
You fortified your structure.
Yeah. That's gonna stay. Uh-huh. Yes. Run and gun. Let's have a go at it. Spotted. Thanks for standing still, ganker. Into the breach. Yes. Uh-huh.
Ah, their bottom tower is down.
Yeah. Full bore. A no trajectory.
Hey, your top tower is under attack.
The hidden ones have
You are not
blessed
going to
me.
like this.
On
They are
target.
really tearing that thing to pieces.
No. Yes. Uh-huh. Gunpowder justice. Uh-huh. Sure is shooting.
Their middle tower is down.
My spotter direct.
It was standing. It stood. You smashed it. Sunrise, sunset. It's the circle of life.
Yes. My aim is truer than ever. Uh-huh. Line of sight.
The middle tower is taking a beating. Wow, that thing can really soak up some punishment.
Yes.
Secretly.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I don't like your odds here.
Uh-huh. Spotted. Snipe hunt. Not yet.
Bottom tower is under attack there.
As you say.
That thing is getting stomped on so hard it's going to turn into wine.
My spotter guides me. Uh-huh. My spotter. Oh! Line of sight. Of course. Uh-huh. Spot on.
Normally go.
Snipe hunt.
Is that right? Otherwise, they'd have to be on some kind of killing spree to get those. Nice. Their top tower smashed all to hell.
Yes. Shrapnel. Spotted.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
This'll hurt. Follow bore. Sure is shooters. Yeah. As you say. Ooh, skill sharpened. A no trajectory. Uh-huh. Sure is shooting. Yeah. Sniping. Oh,
Might want to look into your bottom tower. You people, I'm using the term loosely here. I know you're probably a giant pink bat or a robot made out of fairy water or whatever, but you want to look into your bottom tower. Handle this, and I mean yesterday.
on target.
That's a denial for bottom tower.
My spotter guides me.
They wanted to take out your tower. Ha! You showed them who's the boss at taking out your tower.
My spotter that shrapnel. Yes. As you say.
Dominating.
Full bore. A no trajectory. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
Into the
Oh,
breach.
man, look at them go. They are destroying the hell out of that thing.
Gunpowder justice.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Shrapnel. Great hunt.
Kill spree. Done.
Of course.
When you get to hell, tell them I
Spot
said.
on.
Their top tower is down.
Oh,
The bottom tower is under attack there.
line of sight. Easy shot. Deep lead. Trick shot. Yeah.
Give me, give me, give me.
Aha! Going ballistic. Yes. Of course. Yes. My spotter directs. Higher caliber. Uh-huh.
Immortality.
Oh, a few bullets more. As you say. Sure is shooting. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes. A no trajectory.
The middle tower is down.
Yeah. Mine. Spot on. Of course.
Do you need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
Eat lead.
Are you letting them do this? Great. I mean, if
The
this is
bottom
an
tower's all
insurance scheme,
busted
say
out.
no more. I can keep my mouth
Full
shut.
bore.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower. They say history is written by the victors.
Let's
So
have a go.
you might save yourself a writing assignment here. Your top tower is gone to be with the big brick in the sky.
My spotter guides me.
Limber up. They've fortified their structures.
Yes. Steady up. Yes.
Oh, yes, that is a double kill.
Oh. Shoot him up. Into the breach. Of course. Snipe hunt. Kill shot. Of mass.
Your middle tower is taking a beating.
Spotted.
Oh, they are really taking it to you. Your middle tower is now past tense.
Line of sight.
Kay's not going to sugarcoat it. You're in the soup here.
You die. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Breathe your last. Trick shot. Full bore. Yes. Body shot. Uh-huh. You die. Yes. A no trajectory. No. Quick. spotter directs. Gunpowder justice. Yeah. Ooh, more powder in my pot. Uh-huh. Yes. Into the breach.
Money changes hands.
Go ahead. Spotted. My sights are set. Snipe hunt. Ready? Aim. Run and gun. My sights are set. Line of sight. Sure is shooting. Oh! As you say. Horse.
Splinters at my touch.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. Your middle tower's taking a beating. I don't like your odds here. Your middle tower might need a little attention. I wouldn't worry about it though, it's not so. How do you like your middle tower? I hope you like it's destroyed, because it is. The middle tower's taking a beating. Your middle tower might need a little attention. I don't see the benefit of letting them kill your towers. Middle tower, the expert. Break time's over. They're at your middle bear. You are not gonna like that. They are really tearing that thing. But hey, this is why we keep score. It's supposed to sting. Throw some salt taking a beating. Go get some payback.
Two-legged freak.
You are killing it out there. Double killing it. You know, just because your tower's being attacked doesn't mean it's, hey, don't look now, but your ancient's under attack. I'm pretty sure you lose the game if they smash it. And they are, wow, they are really smashing that. Might want to look into your bottom tower.
Sure is shooting. Spotted.
Bottom tower's under attack there.
Hindi pa mo ba yun?
My spotter guides me.
Isa, open na mo man. Net pa.
Going ballistic.
Pwede pa malibang Gwen. Pwede pa na. 5 minutes.
As you say. Breathe your last. Aha. Line of sight. Spot on. A new trajectory. Yes. Yes. My spotter direct. Oh, a few bullets more. Not it.
Wait, where'd he go?
Caliber.
Disconnect silang dua. Ayan. Disconnect silang dua. Ayan.
All right, back in business.
Yes. Ready? Aim. Into the breach. Shrapnel. Snipe hunt.
Go, go.
Run and gun. Of course. Oh! Ha-ha! Take this. Yeah. Let's have a go at it. A no trajectory. Aha. My spotter direct.
Double kill.
Not yet. I'm under attack.
Not bad.
A mega kill. Surgical. Hey, are they supposed to be attacking your ancient like that?
Ya. Wala pa. Ada. Ano? Invite mo? Wala pa. Ada. Oh. Okay guys, libang day ko gikan guys.
Yak.
Okay guys, libang day ko gikan guys.
Yak.
Daog mo win. Okay. Nga ni magdaog ga. Awa. Okay. Wala day ko gawa. Nga ni magdaog ga. Awa. Wala day ko gawa.
It's your ban. 5 seconds. It's your ban. 5 seconds.
Patay. Adlock na sila. Patay. Adlock na sila.
Ten seconds left. Well, 8 now. 5 seconds. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds.
Itong, ay, sayang, nagbara, unta ka win. Divine, 5 ka buok, isa kanda.
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh. One, first kill ni mo patay.
Yeah, YouTube. YouTube.
Kaya naman to.
Kanya ako nailinkin.
Running's not as fun as hitting.
Ay,
All right, get ready.
pati ano gani. Patay lagi tanan. Ayan.
Pang smurf na. Yes.
Dili man,
Pwede.
Guess we better.
Ayaw,
ikaw
di makabalo.
makapalawag boy.
Wala po kita.
Ay,
Good idea.
palit tagong kag 5 ka divine, isa ka kanda.
30 seconds to showtime, folks.
Di na
Let's
ka mo
see those
dagan
game
ba?
faces.
Yeah, shadow
Mag-
blade.
Mag-spam na sa imong first
Don't
kill, patay
make
na.
any faces.
Ano siya mo dagan?
Ang tagak. Yeah, shadow blade.
Di na siya max mo dagan. Mag-charge.
Ang tagak.
Next game.
Because it was mine.
It's all up to you and those other guys, but let's have some real talk here. They're about as useful as a sack of damn towels. It's basically
I
you.
thought it started.
Paano siya nakatuloy yan?
Hit the road.
Ow!
Kasi man, top ko. Sige, carry
Ano
ko.
siya?
My turn.
Kasi mag-mid.
Oh, na-check ko yung ate ko.
Is that a squirrel?
Come on.
Sa man yung mga buo. Ano eh?
Tangos ng kulo.
Let me through.
Ow!
Wait.
Guess we better.
That's away.
This is my sorry face.
Me first.
Yep.
Wow.
Why there?
Who knows?
Kinakabahan ko sa Weaver ah.
Out of my way.
Hey!
Kinakabahan
Mga
ako.
diri di ka bulo mo creeps.
Yup.
Diri od. Dili ka balo pasit.
Can we get that? When can I hit something?
Record ninyong mid.
Stopping you.
PK ba nga?
I saw a thing. After you.
After you.
You
You
go
go
first.
first. I'll do legs this time.
Support.
Okay. Let me through.
Ow!
Guy.
Kaya naman siguro yung Weaver.
First blood.
Hey, your top tower's under attack.
I'll do legs this time.
Nah, it'll be fine.
I saw a thing.
Huh?
Bonanza.
Hey, you were on fire! Guess we better.
Yup. This way.
That's away. Good idea.
Running's not as fun as hitting.
Not one bit fun.
When can I hit something?
Who's stopping you?
Seriously.
Let's go north.
No, south.
Level 6 na siya.
Guess we better.
Yep.
Yeah. You should have put that on. You
You
go
go
first.
first. Hey,
Yahi ka sa inyo. Yahi ka?
me
Me first.
first.
When we get a light. Here we go.
Yahi ka?
Out of my way.
Seen someone bleed out.
Ay, first blood.
Honestly, I just snapped
After you.
eye and started shooting. It was instinct, really.
Oh,
Okay.
Bukang kwan.
is that a squirrel?
Come on.
Arcane boots. Why there?
Who knows? Hey, I was thinking.
Uh-oh.
Always watch my
Oh,
Okay. Yes! Hit the road.
ow!
Guys, hindi naman itulak mo.
Good idea.
Because it was mine. My turn.
Garap na kayo.
My turn.
Ay ko.
Not for you.
When can I hit something?
Who's stopping you? Hey, you were on fire! Yep.
Uh-oh. Radiant's fortified their structure.
Is that a squirrel?
Come on. Let's go north.
No, south.
Guys, di pa kayo guys.
When we get a light.
Agay.
around here.
Let me through.
Ow! Cut off. I'll do legs this time.
In down please.
This way.
That away. And again. Hey, you were on fire.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Blessing,
Eh.
blessing.
Kasing na.
Okay.
After you.
Ganyan.
You're doing good.
You too.
Nit na siya ba? Kaya lagi na po.
Let's be better.
Shit, patay ko.
Masa siya?
Patay ko.
Masa siya?
Ah, good. Perfect.
Ah,
Exactly.
1 HP.
This right here.
Oy!
This is what you
Let's
wanna
go!
look at. Might want to look
Oh,
into
go-
your bottom tower.
Who do you think you
Patay ko.
Ay, namatay siya kay ano siya? Ability niya ba?
Running's not as fun as hitting.
Not one bit fun.
Naman pa yun niya. Wards dito.
Guess we better.
Yup.
Hindi na ta.
The middle tower's taking a beating. Your middle tower might
Okay.
need a little attention.
Okay. Good idea. Can we get a light?
Boom! 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 Ato lang na siya.
Ano siya? Back siya.
Matay. Arcana.
Sorry.
Do you need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's
Gahi ka,
being
never.
destroyed.
Never mo.
Shadow Blade na siya.
This one.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower. You have fortified the hell out of those structures. Good job.
We got your number.
What comes after two?
Do you need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
Fire.
Oh, this is gruesome. I mean, you have to feel some kind of responsibility for this, right?
Hit the road.
Ow.
Patay kaya. Bubit na yun.
Hey,
Missing nibble.
Hide in Skriauk's name.
Missing
Hate to be a third
nibble.
wheel, but hey, we're all pals.
Missing sila.
TP pag yun mo. TP naman.
Good idea.
cause it was mine.
Batay na. Let's go.
Let me.
No, me.
Pantay.
Guess we better.
Yup.
Gaya mo
When
replay.
can I hit something?
Who's stopping you?
Really?
Dili. 0-1.
Good idea.
Mine.
Dili
Okay.
good job win.
Okay. Pangali ka. Bang agay. Aray ko.
Aray ko.
Right
Alam
there.
ko.
Oh no.
Yan lang. Wala yan.
Si Mar playing.
Hit the road.
Ow.
Baba kayang ano ba?
Oo siya.
Squirrel.
I'm on.
Mar playing.
Oo.
Baba kayo.
Guess we better.
Yep.
Bye. Let's go.
Pero ano ikuan? Ano yun? Shield.
Wala lang.
I saw a thing.
Okay.
Might want to look
Okay.
into your bottom tower.
Hindi na. Ito siya. Ikat ko.
Support mo siya. Tinker. Uy, agay. Aray ko. Haligig paduo lagi. Natural tipin ang kuan. Necro. Aray ko. Namatay mo ko. Wala mo manggugoy pang save.
Wala pa ko yung manta to. Nagpalit na ang tako para ang save ko.
Lagi.
Para sa...
Ito, glass. Nag-hit si ano ba? Never sa ko ah.
Good stuff. Your middle tower.
Salamat.
Sad
Mabuhi
pile.
pa. Tama ko ano pa to. Makamanta.
Oh, you just hate to see it.
Man. Banga mga ita.
Right there.
Push mo dra. Push ka dra. Gawin.
Yung pagkatungan mo
Wala na ko.
yung
Ah, wala pa dahil.
kuha ni mo na talent. Baka ito ang murag either break, silence, o kuha. Kapit ko.
Ah, dili ko.
Kana kay duha ang madamage sa imong stand, di ba? Wapo.
Basta siya.
Yan, dili ako.
The middle tower's taking a beating.
Sige. Pakita lang mo.
Puso, agay. Ay lang.
You've denied your middle tower.
Uy, naa dito sa taas.
Nasa dito
Still
na.
thinking. They can't
Wala
destroy
sila.
it if it's already gone.
Dito ta.
Sige. Hindi, mo-TP dito.
I like this.
Oy!
Ito.
Aray ko. Ah! Nabiktima.
Running's not as fun as hitting.
Not
Apa,
one
apa?
bit fun.
Ano? Ano? Banga mo kayo nila. Ano yun?
You go first.
Wow.
Hindi naman. Ito.
Wow.
Sa skills nila.
Hindi.
Tower's down.
Parehas gay na ba mga...
Push pa ta dire, pipilit yun.
Ano? Unlock mo. Unlock lang.
Muna,
Dito.
push yun. Kaya rin. Kaya nyo na, Chok.
Limber up.
Oy.
They've fortified their structures. Nice work fortifying
Dito na
those
ka dito?
structures. They are looking sharp.
Or... Kaya lang.
Gahin na sila. Uy! Maphack. Atik lang.
Enter.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Wala dyan win.
Guess we better.
Ano sila?
Wala. Masya TP. Ano sa dito sa taas?
Wala yung TP.
Ano sa taas? Gahi kayo si
Mga
Butchok.
bot, maguro ni.
Wow!
Sige. Dapat. Mas challenging. Mas challenging.
Naluyan Dota. Thank you Dota. Okay.
Bottom tower's down.
Oh,
Kaya mas yung TP.
when can I hit something?
Who's stopping you? Guess we better. Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
Regeneration.
Yup.
Ito.
Oh.
That's away.
Ayun.
Okay.
Tapos siya.
Kaya naman kaya mo hawak ng Iberdre.
Kaya siya.
You
You
go
go
first.
first. I'm in your debt.
Turo.
Hit the road.
Hindi ka na nag-farm.
Nalito sa ko.
Yeah.
Sunda tong kuan ba?
Adri.
Good idea.
Because it was mine.
Dito na ta. Dili.
After you.
After you.
Yun na lang, wala vision. Shit. Ayun na lang.
When can I hit something?
Who's stopping
Uy,
you?
nakita ka bun.
Ayun, nakita ko.
Let's go north.
No,
Sige, tulad dito. Tus.
Their top tower is
Yan, na-stun siya.
These noise fun is hitting.
Wait till they see what you have in store for an encore.
Give it back.
Wala lagi.
Yun ay, patay na.
Let me through.
Ow!
Ang necro. Ibalik. Turo. Hapit. Ay. Kailangan ko ano. BKB na. May shadow blind. Pagkid dia, wala iwads.
I'll do legs this time.
Okay. I'm not ready.
Look.
Is that
Yes.
Worth it eh.
Kes.
Loaded ko sa bal.
Their middle tower is down.
Diba?
Split the loot.
why there?
Who knows?
Wala.
I saw a thing.
Nasaan sila?
Pushing.
Hit the road.
Wala ko. Aw. Yeah, so cool.
He said hey.
Push siya.
Let's go north.
No, south.
Wala yung nakakang-range oh.
Top tower is down.
Running's noise fun is hitting.
Not one bit fun.
Why there?
Who knows?
Yung nag-farm.
622.
Is that a squirrel?
Come on.
Dahil na kay range.
Good idea.
Tanawa niya.
Last range, diba?
Di mo mo gawas ha. Gawa ka. Durog, agay. Aray ko.
Pag-ituyo, naigo man siya sa takong talent.
Gabi, dua ka ano naman to? Dua ka hit?
Naras. Dili man, ang Chris man akong gi-standby pa na handok ba ba?
Wala na siya nag
It's more sport.
Russian ay mag-Russian ka ba?
Out of my way!
La.
Kinsa ni?
I'll do legs this time.
Okay.
Hindi na sa baba.
Bottom tower's under attack there. All right, call the tower. Apparently assaulting these towers is not a crime, so you're gonna have to handle this yourself.
Hala!
Nice. The top tower smashed all the hell. Doing a boost to that thing. Nice work. End of the road for their top barrel. Bottom tower's under attack there.
Where'd that funny light come from?
And that's all she wrote for their top barrel. Might want to look
Basta
into your bottom
hindi
tower.
silang dua.
Patay ka na. Ay! Ala! Agay.
Bottom tower's under attack there.
Hindi na kay Greens ba?
Okay man.
Kumahan na ba?
Ano kay range ba nung pili din? Pati din yung attack range ma increase.
Attack of cast.
Increase din siya po. Namatay ka diya ba kayo? Ako pa nagkwarta ba?
Tayo.
Sleep siya ba? Das na din.
Push ko rin sa boss. Ano pa?
Susunod ba?
Wala na dali mo.
My turn. I think I just got smarter.
Daog din mo karon na
After
After you!
Ay, ano?
Guess we better.
Yup. Good idea.
Lord, Chaos Knight na siya.
Let me through.
Their bottom tower is down.
kuha na.
Oy!
Hindi na tinuod.
Ang tinuod. Tinuod.
Wala ko tinuod. Tinuod.
Agay. 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 Quadruple, agay. Rampage ay wala na din tao, wala na din kalaban.
Standing, stood, you smashed. Sunrise, sunset, the tower's down. That was a masterclass in
Hindi na.
little barracks. You just obliterated their
Wow.
Look at
Good.
that. That's Towers.
Wala
Beautiful.
din yapon.
Pile of gold.
Nagbanta.
Dili din siya makuha. Kauban mo good.
Tower's down.
Wow.
Nga to magdaog ha. Hindi ra magkapildi.
Wow.
Ang mo sa kuha.
No, I won.
Dili din siya makuha. Kauban mo good. Upat ko sa kabuko. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, 5 seconds left now. Yeah, 5 seconds left now. You really got to pick a hero. You got 10 seconds left. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine.
Pero,
You really got to pick a hero. You got 10 seconds left. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine.
okay, ano yun? Level 23. Yes na ang maligayang araw.
Flesh is but a garment. I alight to battle.
Why aren't they doing anything? They're just
7.
standing around. Relax, Morty.
Point the way.
Daog yan.
Payday. This one is
Yun,
in.
masaya daog na.
Then curse the road.
Uy,
Arcane po din ito.
I swear it.
Morty, don't look now, but battle's about to start. Oh my
Ata
god!
na?
No! I ain't ready for this! I didn't do
None
this!
quicker.
oh. Ano
Light my
di na
way.
ako mag-support.
Patay na siya.
First blood!
First blood pa rin.
Straight as an arrow.
Well, labalado.
Axes
Wala,
impressed!
nakanto pala. GG.
Look at this game. It just started, baby.
Kabalo sila mag-set up.
The arrow
Oh,
of war.
wala. So, ano na?
I'm under attack.
Patay na po.
Oh, finish.
Yes.
Agay. Okay.
Asag ping, uy. Mas mo kayong ping. Ano ni?
Indeed.
Nagalag, uy.
An arrow lights my way.
Pratilay.
Yes. No. Where to? Think. Heat rises. Engine. Straight shooter.
Pratilay o pratilay. Okay.
None quicker. Where to?
better. Yes.
Ay, na. Ano, 2-0 na.
Yes.
Pagbigyan na ganun sa Dota ako.
Straight as an arrow. Indeed. Shot dead. Better to run than curse the road. Yes.
Logo eh. Ano eh?
I swear it. On target.
Hindi ko padala ni Bay. Dili kayo. Hindi ko pa yan.
Quick fire. Point. Certainly. Better to run than curse the road.
I steal from the slow.
Indeed. I swear it.
Ay, pabol din kayo Bay. Basta-basta huwag kayo ng stick ng
Straight as an arrow.
Check. Ayan rin.
None quicker.
ding 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 ding.
I alight to battle.
Nakatulog ko?
They will burn. Attack.
Sure eh.
Oh, 5 kabog. Dapat ko ba?
Ah!
Iyap dyan ako, 5. Ang sa dabgo, good na
Ah.
ako. Save position. Palipot. Masalang. Ito. Ang first na ba dito?
I'm under attack.
Ito.
Ooh, your middle tower is under attack.
Yeah.
You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
Nakadibog. Pumunta ko. Pumatalo ko. Usab na po. Di nga ito bo. Murag nasa loop.
Where to?
Diyo ba yung kay Kogdamgo ato kay Kuan. Kami ni Carl ba?
Uy, madami to.
Yan, Kuan. Kami sa...
Okay, how do sa joke?
Heals kay
Pas kayo maka-last hit.
Yes.
si Chico kay
Madali lang. Considering makuha pa rin.
Kuan. Ni Mama tas ako kay Papa ko uban. Ano siya?
Ah.
Ay siya tapos ah, ya, dagan man ni mo Carl. Kuni no. Oh,
Light my way.
Sige Carl.
My just reward.
Nakamata ko atong kadabgo. Tagang ko kadabgo kay namata ko nga agad. Pali ko. Ano to? Kalima. Yan.
Yat.
Ginawa. Yes. Nag-play ko dali-dali. Kaya nag-chat si Justin. Kasi na-dog. Random kayo ano. Shot ko dyan si Curl sa kuo.
Dan ko gyapon day.
None quicker.
Ay si Kipchoge yan.
Straight as an arrow.
Siya ni Kipchoge.
Ah, nag-chat tinood dun? O damo ko na.
Yes.
Kipchoge running with the brothers behind and very different.
Hell, I point the way. Let's fly.
Uy. Wala ka ba? Bug agay.
Oh yeah, your bottom tower's under attack.
Yeah. Tipi ko din na. Stun!
jeez, your middle tower's under attack. Oh man, what? Get up on out of here, cause Radiant's support.
Ala ka na lang din.
Hindi, na-stun pa dyan kung buwang ka. Daan nila eh. Kapilay.
Kabalo ba yun?
Sugar on my tongue. Itong gisend ako. Ako sa'yo mo ba? Isa to? Karon 2025 sugar on my tongue.
Lock na po.
Karon, ay sa una. Ito to? Ano ba ang kinakain mo? Kinakain mo sa pinggan ko.
Ayan.
Ayan, sige, save. Pwede
Ano mga heals?
natin na save.
Hindi na pagdamgo pipitugi.
Uy!
Hard na tong ano
40,
ba eh.
middle tower. You might want to look at it.
Mo lang gina itong pag-
Tower's under attack. Tower's under attack.
Ay.
That force field leads me to believe that Dire just fortified their structure.
Ratelot.
Mantay, wala gawin ako.
Tay na.
Oh boy. Shit.
Daog. Kasi na daog.
Like, tinatawag sa dagat.
Ay, gain na sa marathon.
Your bottom tower's under
Marathon na
attack.
gain. Sunday ba yan? Ay, marathon gain na. Sa
Really?
Ay,
6-0 no?
sa may daog.
Sila yung part na. Ay, boss.
Ay, post. Nasa post.
Ipubos yun.
Ay, sila yung part na, boss.
Oh, nag-share niya ba? Nag-post din.
Ay, part of Earth.
I alight to battle. I'm under attack.
Wala po.
Burn.
Taliktik.
The arrow is already loosed.
Durugdug na.
Yes.
Ay, patolo. Taliktik.
Straight as an arrow.
Kani dyan ang champion pagka Puma ba? Yati man na siya eh. Champion. Lipstick ba?
Firing.
Kaya eh.
Di ba home ka? Di ba sapat sa home ka dyan?
Oh. O ka ano?
21K.
Anti-barley?
Siya dapat.
Ay may, oh lala, mahal.
Kamahal.
Naka.
Ako man.
Wicked
Oh jeez,
set.
middle tower's under attack.
An arrow true.
Sila yung pace.
Certainly.
3.
1 hour and 18 minutes. What?
Yes.
118. So kung 1 hour and 18,
Yes.
3 times. 21 ba na siya? 10k.
21K.
21.
Your middle tower's under attack.
Eti ay, champion na siya.
Oh man, your middle
Nakakaya
tower
na
just
guys.
got destroyed.
Namay
Oh boy, the
nagpapala
enemy
ay
denied
nagano
their
siya,
bottom tower.
sabay, sambedado. Wala eh.
Ipid ba?
Wala eh.
Yes. Ay, okay ah.
Monster kill.
Okay.
Godlike. Double kill.
Patay.
Yung pace
Your
na
top
yung
tower's under attack.
Ah, grabe eh.
Oh, your top tower just took it right in the you know what.
Tapos yung ano yung tawag mo, tapos
Your top tower's under attack.
yung pagdagat sa pasok ka sa takas.
Mugon eh. Ano kayo, no? Ano gani?
Is there no honor
Dili ko
anymore
siya,
amongst
dili
gaming
qualified si
people?
Bert Randolph. Iguang naman siya.
Wala.
Anay ko rin age category, guro ano?
Dapat kasi labang kayo.
Okay, bububog.
Morty, you're not gonna like this. Top tower's under attack. Oh, sheesh!
Ay, kailan ka kinsay world record sa 21? Ay, hindi ka kailan.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good.
Ano?
Yeah.
Tower under attack.
6 yun. No,
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
ganda. February ano na? February? Oh.
Abang. Oy! Abot. Wala na pipi. Bug. Aga. Agay. Tutukin.
56 years
Boy,
times.
Wala. Hindi siya mag...
your top tower's
Di ba,
under
saan niya
attack.
si Chogi? No? Paspas kayo, no? 253 man guro yung pacing, ana. Paspas kayo. Guro nag-sprint ba?
They can't hold a candle to me. Yes. None quicker.
Nakita namin mo yung race, no? Grabe na din nakapas.
Shadow lights my way.
42. Ah!
Usual na ba yun?
Sprint man ako na.
Straight.
Pero ni. 1K na pa. Ito. Kita eh. 21. Yan na. All out.
Set you alight.
Ano ito? Spectre.
Wala
Ako
siya.
na yung na style ko.
Light my way.
Bula-bula baba. Saan? Kita ni.
Pero siya man ako na. Good record, man. Good. Kumakaya niya, no? Ano?
I-keep niya ng speed sa...
Fake, no?
Agay. Patay ko. Agay. Tutukin. Hello. Hello, Rico. Lupa dong. Agoy.
Tower's under attack.
DPS niya ang record just 58.
Date. Ah. Debate niya sa... Ano yan?
Ay, dili. 57, 31 niya. Si Milde niya ka na.
Naku, daw na porta, no?
Wala siya. Qualified siya, no? Qualified ba siya sa ano? Chicago?
Apex. Oh, payo.
Ooh, Dyer, you gotta fortify them their structures. Good work. Your bottom tower's under attack.
Nakamaratan naman siya.
Yes.
No, wala siya. Tapos kaya sa nito, 2 minutes. Ito lang siya.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack.
May
Man, you might
bagong
as well save
colors
that
sa
energy
nails.
because Radiant
Iba
just
talaga.
fortified their structures.
Bagong colors sa Nova Plus.
Your bottom tower's under
Magic
attack.
Speed Code. Nasa Facebook. Ano to?
You might want to kiss your bottom tower goodbye because it's gone.
Agay.
Oh, oh,
Wala eh. Wala. Late na nata diri. Wala na din.
Mga bag.
Ibabalas pa lagi. Wala ko eh. Masa?
Ay, lagi. Ay, ito ko din.
Na lagi pero dili na.
Number 3 mas ba?
Ako. Ay.
Lakad ako na sabi. Mayat.
Wala! Isan.
Papi ka pa yan dyan. Nak. Paikat. So, mukagkuhan mo ang paano.
Tinood na. Diligan.
Ano? Oh.
Tukog. Ito siya tukog. Kulay mga ganang wala.
Uli siya malitaw. Patabangan na to Diyos. Tabangan.
Abangan.
Pero ako nag-inbil.
Oh, jeez, middle tower's under attack.
Nag-inbil sa likod. Diba? Tinood na.
Ano na tinod?
Aso? Hindi maklaro. Natura. Agay.
Kasi nag-live.
Agay. Gamay nag-live po. Ayun na lang, may makalakaw ba?
Si ano, si Mark na. Or si Dennis. Si Mark lagi.
Oh, your top tower's under attack.
Kaya wala niyo mo. Wala na din nag-ano si
Your
Carl
top
ba?
tower just got turned into trash. Jeez, man, they're getting
Ah!
whooped.
Wala mang good. Wala ako ka. Ay. Wala man ko gibuhat lagi.
Katunaan na siya kay naglipad ko mo storya.
Ano nga, di mo siya makipag-story sa ko po.
Gusto na ano mo?
Agay. Patay, tipi.
Hindi siya lang. But hey, sige na lang.
You gotta get serious. Top tower's under attack.
Ma-pride ba po na siya. Di ba?
Tanaw na lag-live, Carl. Ay, sorry.
Ano ba ti?
Ay, kapok.
Si Carl ba? Saan ito si Bak?
Radiant just fortified their structures.
Wala si
You know
Yulo
what I'm talking
ganyan.
about?
Ay, katong
Okay. Itapok, bro.
ay, dili na.
Nag-chat siya sa akin.
Hello.
Check ka na ang video ni Kipchoge.
Sa'yo mo na nag-ascend. Jogging mo.
Ay, kobo. Agay. Bug, sige, go dan. Go pa. Hey, kana, stun. Sige, go pa. Go pa! Patay na. Pangitag. Pangitag.
Kita mo sa battlefield.
6. Grabe ka dagang tao eh. Queuing, 300,000. Ang kapin wala pa mo.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower serves them right. Man, great teamwork, huh, Rick?
Battlefield 6? 6 ba? Nagpalit ka?
Apply ko sa anak ko niya.
Careful. Uy. BKB. Wala BKB. Basta.
Daga may bugs ang
Kailan ko to sa control, di ko yung mga kanang inay, ay ka. Ang dagat yun yung kay inay, tapos katukwan.
isundog Manila ako.
Ay.
Sige, pero duty ba na bag-ugan isundog Manila na
Ba't kayo?
Kaya, ayan na lang eh.
ano ba na bukas yan. Niya isundog din ang duty.
Mahal pa na.
Kanto.
Patay ka ba nga ka?
Na-delay pa.
Come on, the middle tower's under attack. Your middle tower just bit the big one. But you're loving this. You get to be the mayor of I Told You Town. You're welcome. Your middle tower is under attack.
Ayun.
Great, your middle tower. You can't use that anymore. It's gone. They're coming after your middle barracks.
Uwi na dyan.
Kamu
Ay,
macam
Oh boy,
Nalako,
Mori,
nalako, nalako,
middle
nalako,
barracks
nalako.
are gone. Ooh, your middle barracks just got wiped off the face of the map.
like blink ka na delay.
Yo.
Oh, ni mantan no. Okay.
Uli ipabot siya.
Sige, go.
Iwan ko ko to Battlefield 5. Lingaw mo to Battlefield 5.
Hello.
Yan. Pag matata na tayo.
Look the Korean yan.
Set warfare.
Ay. BKB.
Wala ka!
BKB.
Wala ka, natulak. Ayun, ayun sa ako eh. Ayun sa... Ay, Dota. Dota.
Ayun sad to eh. BKB lang katapat ito ba?
Ayun
BKB lang katapat ito ba? Pero
Save that energy.
di man ta mag BKB. Sige lang.
Fortified their structures.
ang...
Ay, si...
Your top tower just got shattered. Watch out, your top barracks are getting hit. Come on, get with it. Your top barracks? Yeah, they're gone now. Oh, middle tower's under attack. Well, you don't have any top barracks
Akong
anymore.
Battlefield 1
Maybe
of
you
5.
don't bother training at the V6 to help you. Oh boy, your middle tower just really took it.
Ang nagunit ani na ano kay katong Battlefield na studio. Lahat ng katong DICE studio.
Hey, geez, why don't you start taking things seriously, you know, because your ancient is under attack.
Alam?
Sila pwede
Hey, Debbie, your ancient's under attack. Dire just won. Morty,
Ay,
they won, Morty. Quit yelling at me about it.
nagiho din ng 6 player. Na Battlefield 1 October 20, 2016. Battlefield 3 o 4 kay 2013 o 2011. What? What? Paulit yung mga pangalan mo.
done and dusted. Wala dahil Vicky Bibin. Wala yung Vicky Bibin. Wala tayo. Gabi sila ka, no?
Ni Dula di balik si ano? Si Dolo.
Wala eh. Ay, si Dolo, gaina ba eh? Nagdula? Wala dahil.
Gi-invite lagi ito ni Butchok lagi.
Wala eh. Si Butchok, di na mo gawas, pati mo glinog, dili. Ay.
Mga pro dahil kay JD na sila mga high altitude din.
Kamu gawas. Sige, may gawas. Kamu gawas. Ay, ni gawas kachuk katong linog.
Wala.
Wala.
Sa tulo ka linog, wala.
Ha?
Dapat intensity 12 daw.
Your turn to ban.
Kalain.
Nagstorya sa karon.
Wala.
You better pick your hero. 5 seconds.
Kalain.
Pato paint daw.
You better pick your hero. 5 seconds.
Asa ka nang live?
Sa Twitch.
Pato paint daw. Oh, tanaw gani ko rin.
Ano to si Win? Ay, tana si Yulo. Uy,
Oh, tanaw gani
Ay,
ko rin.
fans, welcome to my guys. So,
tana si Yulo. Uy.
Highest squad siya.
10 seconds to pick your hero, you
Battlefield 6.
moron. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine.
Basin Jules ba? Kailangan sila gi-change. Pero ikaw na palit Jules kung tanaw rin tayo mo. Mahal mo kaya.
Ay, palit eh. Uy, sapatos na ako na. Puto ka muna siya. Kuya kayo, nagmeti ka ni Mark, kay birahon ka. Kaubad ba? Kuyudod ka sa kilid.
Asa?
Ay, may Battlefield 6.
Oo, Battlefield 6. Oo.
Tapos grabe kay loadout eh. Halos kuat watanan parts pa rin. Pati bala lagi abdil sa loadout.
Lionel Messi.
Bala yung gamito.
Ano sa'yo ma-change din mo sa bala?
Kuan,
Hell hath no
katong magazine.
Legendary, mga ano?
Ay, klase nga ako yan.
hell yes.
Penetrate sa bakal. Makabulbang ka ba?
Oh, jeez, Rick, we're in some real trouble. I know, Morty. Just follow my lead.
Tapos, matagapon to mga dula.
Yakachok.
Bukat dyan kayo, o kasabot.
Yes.
Kung ano, realistic siya.
Nag-game mo lang yung tigakachok.
Kuyura.
30 seconds until this place goes ham.
Where's the fight?
Hello.
Oh,
Ay,
itry
na siya.
na to. Palit yun ko itong kanang sa
Why not?
kato na time ba kayo. Palit ko sa kana. Itong
Forward.
control. Kanang controller ba?
To hell and back.
Game starts. It starts.
Nabuhat ng kanta.
Gistan.
Eh, lagi nagbuhat na.
Boom. Ito lang, yapak lang.
Ako may nagbuhat na sa kataka.
Ay ka lang. AI ka man.
Eh,
AI ka. AI ka. AI ka, Lods.
Tapos ko tanawan yung movement mark no kay kana. Marag walay ko walay sito kana screeching.
Yes.
Wala ka mag-lose eh. Patay din na kita makakuan. Patay kaya kayo mag-lose. Oh no.
Forward.
Hindi ko tulan eh.
Naman di kuan.
Pagdula na ako kay Juan.
Ay, magdula ko pag pag mag-sale na sila 99 pesos.
Mamaya na to 50.
Ano, wala.
99% na yan.
Oh no.
Nadili.
25% mo palit ng ano.
Where's the
Pero
fight?
mo, o ano, hindi 25%.
Diba ang
Bapo ka siya long range ito yan. Nakaka-disip ko, bapo siya. Ay mo hang gameplay ani kay Kwan long range, madinulita na eh.
laga yun. So, minimum specs
Di man, kaya naman.
Kaya raman.
Kuan.
Puno ka kung GPU
1650 ang kuan na.
Why not?
Ben, mo pag AI Ben ba sa imo ano?
Prowl.
AI.
Ay, nag-live si Ben.
Ay, vlog siya.
Ay, ang pinakupasabot ni mo. Battlefield 6.
Agay.
First na balado. Uy, bro nga.
Axe is impressed.
Agay.
Bilang delay yan.
Pipin mo gulang. Patay.
Okay, katilay. Katilay.
Pratilig.
Delay.
Ay, hiwi. Unsa naman to?
Yes.
222 na karon Mark. 222 na ang time.
Ang delay niya.
Ay, hiwi.
Dili. Nay
Where's
1
the
hour
fight?
39.
139 pa dira.
139 ako.
I go like the devil.
Oh no.
Kasi kung may layo.
Muneles.
Asa makanagtataw?
Dili ba ang game time ay ang dula na ba?
Ay,
Verily.
235 ang nadari sa
247 na. 250.
Oh yes.
51. 10 seconds.
49,
Yung window.
51,
Ay.
52,
Ito?
53,
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Onward.
5 seconds.
To hell and back. Yes. More power.
Yours. I-search ang translation ng
Say title na lang.
Forward.
Predador.
Predator.
Hindi, Predador.
Pereka.
Pereka.
I'm under attack.
Ay, mama na itong ipasend din sa... Ay,
May 1980.
Yeah. 2022.
My thanks.
English version. English translation.
So, AI yun rin
1982 ang
Why
nagkuha
not?
niya. Predeka. 1982 ang art.
Botanella.
Pretano.
Ay,
Di ba magbuhat o ng AI o grabe ka, vulgar kayo ng mga lyrics?
Iwan na. Iwan na.
Brazilian
Ay, lagi.
TikTok explain. 5 low
Explain.
reverse spark. Shock reaction from TikTokers. Discover the loop subject matter.
Obviously, pero yung vulgar na yung
To a tail and back.
Was it generated but using AI, and what are the English?
I'll take that.
Verily.
Princess Mine is spectacular.
Ah!
She doesn't invite her friends. She can't handle it alone. She sits for 3. She sucks 3 more than. She sucks 3 more than. She sucks 3 more than. She sucks more.
Abang.
You, me, we put her on the gum on the right. It's
So, ayun, isa din.
not a little puss.
Abang.
Go sit down hard for the favela boys. Then
The
you, me,
pabela.
we put her on.
Bullshit.
The gun has arrived. It's the frag predators. Not a little pussy shit.
To
This
hell and
girl.
back.
Uy, bawal na dito sa live sa FB.
Favela boys.
Ayo, sulti, uy, screenshots.
Ano, pero ginasayaw sa mga TikTokers.
Nana siya yung ano, RP.
Gangpang dito.
Nana siya RP.
Sila kabalo. Ano naman good? Sayang, groovy mong good ang ano.
Hello. Ay, kapit.
Mga pagtanong ko bakay pakinggan. Bakay ako at back.
Sayaw, gani sila Pilipino na dance gani. Pero
Why not?
kabalong sa iyo.
Ah, tabang.
Hello! Nadok sila, mag-dance lang.
Hadlock man sila nga naman to.
Ano day kung dili magda si Buen, mga additional damage ba?
Wala, ano lang, ma-reveal sila. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, your bottom tower's
na.
under attack.
Murot to.
Ay, slow sila na ba, no?
Mas slow po yung may
Oh, mas slow sila 20%.
Alpha play, bawal sila magamit ng blind sapatos.
Na, sa in-game siya mag-storya.
Edit ako siya matulog.
Huwag ka na ulit sa live para maliw. Ano mo?
Ba na itong tingog sa live na?
Sa Twitch eh, mas
Sa
update.
Twitch. Sa Twitch,
Patay. Oh!
Gusto lang kapuan.
Patay. Mo din ng isog. Mo din ng isog kay Nigang.
itulak, oy. Si Messi madini. Si Lionel Messi.
Puruan na siya ba?
Let's see.
Ala ka ni Ambak. Sisangay kang buo. Spin. Spin. Buang nga, wala din.
Jeez, Rick, the top tower's getting hit. Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is destroyed. Hooray! Looks like dire structures are fortified.
Na,
Yati. Wala na yun, mukhaan lang na sa mo.
Oh, jeez, your middle tower's under attack.
ayun sa si Win.
Wardy, middle
Ay,
tower.
naka-chop.
I'm gonna look at it.
Ay, naka-chop.
Middle tower's under
Ay,
attack.
naka-chop. Toothpick.
Toothpick without
I've been to hell and back to hell and back. Why not?
Good, beer.
Check ka ng toothpick na nilabay sa iyo.
Oh, your top tower's under attack.
Buang ka.
Bigla na guna. Patay din mo.
Agay, patay. Agay! Ayusoy! Patay lion. Wala nakatakas ka! Awa na!
Ay, patay.
Balik bang.
Oh man, your middle tower just got destroyed. Oh come on, the middle tower's under attack.
Ipagbigyan lang ganito first game gani.
Crash kay na wipe out nito.
Rage returns me to the living.
Kaya Ito, kanina tinood ng mga Dota players ba yun?
Ang gaya. Mas how to ganiya.
Uy!
Haka rin dyan.
Oh, sige, pati yan na. Oh.
Oh, ako si Chaos Knight.
Ay, ikaw mo ito. Mauray, napatay
Ako ang kanang kabayo. Tigidig, 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 tigidig,
Maging liko ang kuano.
Why not?
tigidig, 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 tigidig. Ito.
Ay,
Pero sabay si Dennis niyo ha?
Wala. Mayot na siya.
dami sisan lagi ka. Ang napir ko.
Beastmaster ng ano? Parang bear?
To hell and
100.
Oh, Beastmaster na.
Asan? Asan na to?
Corazon. Patay na ako. Tabang guys.
Bear lang ito.
Ako. Si boss ko pala.
Ay, na-injury din.
Patay ko ba yun?
oh hell yes. Killing spree.
May mana ba yun?
Ay, joke na.
I
Wala ni tank na to. Banga. Wala yung kill. Ako.
Ikaw wala aura. Ay, si Toy. Hindi,
Si points.
why not?
Ayan ay 100 siya item na.
Vlogger din siya din. Kuhan mo record.
Heart naman yung item.
5K, 10K.
Ano siya? Vlogger?
Oh, 10K.
Agay.
Taga na rin dahil ayaw ba tayo ng I'll teach it. Wala siya ka ng quad.
May the drow keep you safe.
Normal back lang. Ayun. Ikaw mamatayan. Ito ba sila sa kasigas ko nang hindi ka na
Oh, jeez, Rick! The top tower's getting hit!
Go pa!
O di taas kitigangin din.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. Morty, bottom tower! Morty, just not there. The bottom tower!
Wala dyan ko'y kuhan. Wala dyan ko'y dagger. Paspas kayo siya madagan. Oy.
Oh hell yes.
Ano siya?
Your bottom tower's under attack!
Ang butong.
Si Ricky Martin.
Oh, yeah, your bottom
Nakuha
tower's
ka
under
naman
attack.
sa ano. Ay, gipalit mo gano'n ng Gwen.
Your bottom tower's gonzo, baby!
Voice pack.
Wala iman na.
To hell and back.
tower dump.
Voice pack.
May mana.
Wala.
Where's the
Wala lang.
fight?
Patay.
The enemy's top
Patay, isisan.
May sisan.
That devil defense.
Agay.
I've got a power grip.
Di antin. Warm up. Kay
Chuk! Patay ka Chuk!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Agay ko.
Double kill.
Aray ko. Patay ka.
Mega kill. Double kill.
Suman?
Doon
Ay,
110K,
grabe.
357.
Prowling.
Warm up pa lang
Yan,
to kay
mag-kill, uy.
mag-training pa daw sila.
Yes.
Tas kan pa dyan niya kanang injury diet. Ano ni? Injury diaries.
Ay, layo mo kayo ng support.
Kay injured day siya injured. Injured siya ni Dagan.
Injured siya.
Mali siya ang kuhan. World records under Brixton. So 1.5. 1.5.
Hindi na na-sustain ako sa akin.
Oh! Ayaw ko itulak!
World record ko na siya sa 10K. One siya.
Pati itong bear.
5K.
Daghan siya 1.5K, 3K, 5K, 10K. siya na goal sa world record ng
Where's the fight?
Oh, jeez, your middle tower's under attack.
itong taga Norway.
21.
Oh,
21
what a
man.
mess.
Yan ang
21
mas
kay
maganda.
kung Antonio Miga.
Yung Unanda.
Yes.
Kiplimo.
Ay, kay Play mo daw. Hindi,
Oh, hell yes.
2025.
pinido niya ba? Unanda. Ganda.
Ayahang pangalan. Unanda. Ay,
Unanda lagi. Ay, Justin. Gamay.
Dyan.
Kiplimo. Walay
Ali
Unanda.
dyan.
Taga Uganda siya.
Yung tuwa ba din mo, Chip?
Eh, bawe.
24 years old pa pa dyan. Bata pa sa to.
Dulo na pa.
Dyer, you gotta fortify them, their structures. Good work.
Mag-birthday siya karong mag-25 siya karong November 15.
Agboy ka.
So, tangkad, 1.75. Yang
Ah, yan.
26
Tipi na, tipi na.
26 kilo.
Ito lang.
Pila ka,
Pipi ko. Bye-bye. Ay,
Agboy wa kayo.
pila yung kilo?
62.
Wala, kinanglan pa daw ka magpagamay para marathon ni mong level.
Gisensi mo sa TikTok ba to?
O gani, si Kiplim naman to.
Where's the
Itong compare niya.
Ah,
Compare na. Grabe no?
to hell?
Katong nagbukod siya ba? Ay katong naglisod.
Why
Puti.
not?
mabagkuan ko na
Why black star? Ano daw?
Kani siya kay marami ang kani na ay smoke dagat. Tas bakit talikod
Agay. Oy, na-miss! Tanisis.
Hello, easy ra kay siya. Oh, dito siya.
Oh, dugultol.
Atak, ang tigol na no?
tapos caps na kay kanang nasa ipopo.
Killing spree!
Ay, wala pa din na.
Ano to?
Dulot, bay.
Kadulot. Yate, tabangan. Lugayad.
Daw.
Lugayad.
Ang padako, di ka mag-stand training.
Wala yung training all in kasi
Sigaw lang ka mag, ano, kanang, tawag lang yun.
Oh, jeez, your
Exercise
top
lang, leg
tower's
exercise. Hindi ka na mag,
hindi ko
buhat.
pwede daw kanang makatulog.
Hindi ka mag-
Piling pwede ko ako ang ilang ko sa tail ba.
Katong
Punta
ginabuhat
upper
sa
part
isa
lang.
ka vlogger dun na gitry na niya ang Kenya workout. Ano to? Mag jumping jack, mag ana lang good.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Gamay yan. Gamay kayo nakuha siya. Joke lang.
Oh, they took out the enemy's middle tower.
Hell and back.
Oh man, oh, I'm so happy about all this.
Yes.
Hindi ko yung day. Manta, sige lang.
Onward.
Nice. Kaya yung shard mo.
Yes.
Uy, lala. Alam, mas tanong lang.
Okay na. Nagdas. Hawa. Patay ay, sige lang. Nag-smoke this rin. So, okay lang.
Where that came from.
Isa di kay. Isa ko mo iguan.
Ala, na-stun!
Nastan. Bogo. SS. Wala pa yun yung SS. Ano yung spin siya. Masave na siya ma-SS siya.
Ano siya, SS?
Ano siya SS? Kita galing ko. Oh, ay.
Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about?
Sa man ang gamit sa lone dude. Ano lang, gahi lang dito siya. Kunat, tank yung gila siya.
Okay.
damage.
Nice one. Smoke.
Damage bay, banga mo ning ano.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack. You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
Bantay ah.
Nako. May pa. May pa. May pa. Oh! Uy! Wala yung nagkabagsak ko, bay. Ay, na-stun ka din. Alak ka.
Yep, wala yung mga buyback, mga buong.
Bottom barracks are getting hurt, baby.
Natulak! Alam.
You know they're tearing into your bottom barracks right now, right?
Nge, sa mani ay.
Sakit kayo eh.
Get with
Kaya
Nge.
kung gusto ba? Matay lang tong ano,
I don't know
Dondruin.
if you know this, but your bottom barracks are
Ay,
getting
ang good
attacked.
ang ginaha. Uy.
Oh man, the bottom
Tama
barracks
tumamatay, 1 minute na lang to.
There's no bottom barracks anymore. Sorry,
Naka-
player.
Naka-ito siya na, naka-inbi.
Whoa,
Tanaw ko na yung item mo.
pretty hefty language thrown around.
Ay, wala pang Dondruin.
Tanaw ko na yung item mo. Tank lang yun yung purpose sa life.
Kaniyo, Magnus oh.
Yung tipi. Kaya naman dahil.
Your middle tower just
Kill
bit the
this
big one.
mother.
Das. Ay, smoke.
Oh, middle tower's under
Yeah,
attack.
yeah.
Oh man, what? Get up on out of here, cause Radiant just fortified their structures.
Hiwi pag yun, bullshit.
Great, your middle tower can't use that anymore. It's gone.
Agay!
Ako.
Oh, nice.
Ayaw nang.
Wala mong kay lihos ba eh, kay stun. Nice! Ah!
Ooh, your middle barracks just got wiped off the
Agay na
face.
stand
Ano
ko
na
yun ko.
na-stun na pod.
You gotta get serious.
Ayaw
Top
na,
tower's under
bot.
attack.
Ayaw na, bay, kay humot ba.
Your top tower's under attack. Oh jeez, your top tower's
Ganan lagyos, oy.
gone.
Lagyos, oy. Ay, si Yos. Yos.
Why this? Draw on this target.
I get druid. Ay, ang ay ano, kanang long range mo dili mo. Trash.
Ano yung pangalan ni Andrew?
Help me. Help me. Ma.
Isa to.
Matuzi. Busko pal mo ko.
Ay, okay. Hindi rin din ako yung pangalan nila, no? Gilberto.
Sige.
Para makabalok ko.
Sige, Mark. Sige, Mark.
Ito na
Ano
yung
na?
direct sound.
Si Master na si Yolo.
Oh, hell yes.
Ay, si ano na, Landroid oh. Si ano.
Na-stun na po siya, pero nakuan siya.
Kimera na.
Na-stun ang Juggernaut na po.
24 pa ko.
Support nila kasi the Ranger sa inyo.
Wala po na yung hit, katulad pong druid.
Na, hater na. Uy! Chug! Chug! Ay!
Looks like dire structures are fortified.
Wow, triple kill.
I find it easy.
Wow! Let's go guys. Let's go.
Machat din po si ano.
Trash.
Machat din po ano na trash.
Chat.
Why not?
Mo chat pa jud ka cho pag way mi ikaw man dito.
Hello, why me daw?
Yes.
Kita stokan ba why mi?
Wow.
Wala na. Ay.
Oh, RP oh, RP.
Oh, sige daw.
Sige, i-RP na. RP na. Patay ka, buwanga ka.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower is on. Serves them right.
YRP ang bu.
Buwang ka.
Frankly, Morty don't lead me to believe that Dire just fortified their structure.
Ginashare naman mo part of it.
Uy, na-stun na po siya.
Enemy's middle tower. Oh, you really should be proud of yourself, you know?
Uy.
Aba. Yati, napili na
TP
po
naman
ito.
dahil mo.
Namatay mo.
Eh, wala pa ni TP. Namatay gid sila. May TP na po lang. Oh no.
DP na si Bern katong ano.
Namatay gid sila.
Bang crash daw mo kay mo ni TP.
Verily. To hell and back.
Sabi nang si Bern kasi crash.
1 second.
Your top tower's under attack. Man, what? Get up on out of here, cause Radiant just fortified their structures.
Kaya na kayo.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Time day ko na yun.
Oh, your top tower's obliterated. Way to go. Well, you don't have any top barracks anymore. Your top barracks? Yeah, they're gone.
Ay, narinig na naman.
That's mega creeps. Oh boy, your middle tower really took a big crap.
Stun ka na. Stun.
Hey, what do you think this is a game? Your ancient's under attack.
Ah, guys.
I still got my pride.
Mukha na eh.
Yes. Yes.
Sigan day.
Nakaagaling ito, Ben? Mga nang tuloy yung fight.
Onward.
Dili sa ano na, sa talent tree.
Ay, talent 3 na. Ito.
Yes.
Actually, ang di ba sa una kayo pagaling ko. Okay.
Ang gani. Nanay mga talent tree ka rin.
That devil to pay.
Wala. I have no talent.
You have no talent.
Talent.
Yourself.
I'm just
Love,
Nobody.
grips kung Ben.
I go like the devil.
nobody. Okay.
Hindi kaya na ninyo.
Coward.
Kali ka mamatay.
Diba? Ikaw just ang tank.
Ang tangka ko.
Si Warlock ang yung World Mage.
Ang
Yes.
Ang AoE. Si Yag Hater.
mm.
Hell's fury.
Dili si Draw.
Oh, Roshan just got slaughtered by the Dire.
Bigyan mo siguro. Yati si Ben 12, din yung develop.
Ano lang siya?
Setter, setter.
Baboy-baboy.
Modifier.
Kinsay setter sa inyo ikaw, di ba, Jeff?
Onward.
Fire.
Hindi man ka nagka-set ka.
Yes.
Ako setter.
Ay, tapok ay, tapok.
Buyback ready ko. Ano ko? Tank mo ko. Matay ka buwang na to.
Hala, pag yun.
Ilang ka na lang sa... Ano lang.
Agay na igo ko ba yun?
Kaya tinastan na po ko.
Hey, geez, why don't you start taking things seriously? You know, because your
Pagiran
ancient
kaya
is
na
under
mga
attack.
buwang na niya.
Lukan.
Guys.
Lukan siya. Chuk, i-control.
Hey, dummy, your ancient's under attack.
Ang, ano?
Magnus.
Hey, what do you think this is a game? Your ancient's under attack.
Sige. Ah.
Wag yun i-quit. Wag yun i-quit. Paano na?
Quick one, guys.
Gaya kayo. Ala ka! Nabira siya dito! Ala, gaya ano sa kuwan. Ano siya nalipayer? Papa, gibira siya. Ah. Oh, yes.
Masaya nga eh. Pipi na.
Mega na sudah eh. Mega.
Why not? Prowling.
Ano na.
Ano?
Where's the fight? I'll take
Ano?
that as tribute.
Tapos na ba?
Spider legs. Wapo ni.
Verily.
Ay, pihan pitag samot na naman sa awa.
Oh yes.
Ano pinang api.
Patay RP kaya nagtapok. Ala. Ulbaan.
Lapong ka. Hadlo ka na.
Prowling.
Ala. Set ko ha, set.
Yes.
Divine. Divine choke.
Verily. I'm under attack. Lapses, please. Spike.
Hey, what do you think this is a game? Your ancient's under attack. Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about?
Big fight ko ba eh.
Tapi di Nih, nahulog. Oh, ayaw tapok. Kaya lang.
Ayan ka.
Ito din ako mapindot. Shit.
Yes. Oh hell yes.
Why not?
My bow is drawn.
Forward. To hell and back. To it. Die at my hand. Oh yes.
Oh.
Tier 5 na niya ito. Ano?
May pwede.
Onward.
Divine. Divine lang. Supla ni mo na naman iter yun. Tapos, pag kailangan ni mag-nullifier.
Paano ba na ito?
Okay. Back
Matay mo lagi.
Matay?
Lagi.
Saan namatay?
Uy.
Uy, namatay po na tungkuhan.
Matay uy.
Uy!
Kit-kit lang ako mga laga. Kit-kit lang
Oh, Roshan's fallen to the dire.
Ay. Mark. Your son. Hmm.
Ayaw na, ayaw na.
Ah, dugo ko na to na. Gi. Gi.
Oh, wala ni RP. Sayang.
No, no. Gi. Come on.
Sige, samahan.
Patay ko.
Kuhan ka? Kane, kane.
Sige, mag-dagger ko ron.
Oh.
Divine ko ron.
No, pwede man.
Divine encounter. Pag aganim is good ano?
Hey, dummy, your ankle's under attack.
Ano naman?
Kuman naman.
Over, baby.
Mana din.
God.
You're a beautiful person with a charming
Nice
personality.
game.
Uy.
Si Brendan. Ang support din ang i-blame ba? Chat. I-reply din na chat din, Bren. Yung anong ipasupport na ko niyo, lisod man din mag-support day. Ipasupport ko yung first game na ko.
Ayun sa mali mo gusto, Mark.
Scam.
Ayun sa mali mo gusto, Mark. Someday na.
Elin, no? I-report naman sa Elin, no? Lupi lagi na mo ng turbo. Di ba turbo to ng tulog ganyan?
Wala man. Nalunggin kay...
Ang pangalan sa kalaban
Your
ng
turn
perfect
to
ito.
ban. 5 seconds remaining.
Antay mage si Bueno. Kapoy na siya ng support.
Kapay na support. Ano ko doon, nabi? Peter.
Kaya siya gusto mag-support kang ano kang Justin kibala daw kayo mo tank lang.
Buang ka. Kapay na support. Ano ko doon, nabi? Peter. Nagun sa lang?
Sige daw, Buen. Pakitalo.
10 seconds remaining.
Pakitalo ko sa kung kaano.
5 seconds remaining.
Siya nag-carry ganiya. Mo rin napildi kaya niya nag-carry mo din siya ganiya.
Ah, wala
5
magiging
seconds remaining.
dapat
Dapat unsa.
dapat ano dapat gipamid ko gaina daog man ni
Nya. Ano ni
Oh, may
sugod man ka
nag-win.
na dili ka mag-bid. Ikaw
Mga
imo
dagang
problema.
mga pahod dira. Ay, tik.
Mag-away mo sa mid. Ana awayan
Ba,
ni
away
mid.
mo.
Mid is mine.
Ah, yulo. Wala na burn out. Daddy duty. Nag-breastfeed.
I bring an end to magic.
Ay.
Onward.
Na-recruited na sa life.
None shall hinder me.
Prepare for
Breastfeed,
battle.
breastfeed. Nyam.
Isa-isa na lagi na ng mga ano lagi.
Isa.
I go.
Tanay ka mga pet ninyo ba?
Ano yung mga pet sila?
I.
Career ba?
Eh,
Isa-isa na lang.
oh, isa-isa
30
mi.
seconds to battle.
The path is clear.
Pwede ba kung sa
Nila-
normal na game
Mag-equip.
kayo palit pa ka na? Ay turbo mo na.
Ah.
Turbo.
Dili pwede magpalit pa ka. Eh dili na, Dota 1 to.
As thou wilt.
Mark, Dota 1 to siya. Katong magpalit pa kag pet.
Out of my way.
Kapet.
Di ba manok? Nya magpalit pa kag recipe ato.
Yes.
Wala na yung ani diri.
Ito na yun.
The battle
Ano na
begins.
siya, automatic na lang.
Magic shall not prevail.
Kapag
I go.
sa
Patay kayo.
normal na game, naanay ano daan.
Oh, ano na siya daan. Hindi na siya magpalit. Wala, chok, wala.
Truth compels me.
Help.
None shall
Ay,
hinder
wala.
me.
Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Not for me.
Isa sa din ako na sa Dota. Sa Dota 1
Agoy.
Yes.
Ano?
Prep blocking ba? Bako yan.
The path is clear.
Oh, gatrip. Nangyay ako na.
Zero.
Ayaw mo kung mag-creep block sa Dota 1. Ako lang may ano, kung creep block ako lang kapuyo.
I go.
Palit talaga kita akong AM buin. 300 na to.
I go.
Kira ko, di ko ganahan, babae ang liin.
Onward. Edge down.
Hindi ka ganda ng babae ba? Grabe.
Truth compels me.
Putol magiging ka nadoog na ko. Di mo ko ganahan og babae na. Amalan ko.
I go.
Babae ako nadunggan.
Drink it in. That's first blood.
Yeah, Mark.
First blood.
Uy, first blood.
Oh, pro. Ayaw.
Basta ka na. First blood.
I.
Second blood.
I go.
Kauban niya.
Thou art mine.
Okay.
I'll strike thee down. Truth compels me. I like the dark.
Ano siya kung nag-hook siya good.
Yes.
Ginamid. Ano pa?
Ano ba razor diri? Ay, oh, razor. Arcana.
Kala ba?
It is not revealed.
Ito nire-release siya sa ano.
Oo.
Kita yung last na nire-release sa ano.
As thou wilt.
Arcana ba? Last.
Ano ka ba? Release sa Dasawan?
They who live by the wand shall die by my
Pero
blade.
remember kay Legion Commander yan. Ay, naday.
Na-hook, chok.
It is most rewarding.
Huwag kalingat na ako na nina.
I see instant something. Sato.
Onward.
Instant apparition?
Oo ka. Oo nang last na ano.
Utter magic. The path is clear.
Wala kang na-remember, Mark.
I go.
Middle is missing.
Get thee hence.
Anong gina-igo ma?
None shall hinder me.
Ito.
Ay. Ano naman?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Hindi ko ito ginabunalalan ni Rizzo.
Nalandod. Magaling ako.
Wala gina-whip ni Razor niya. Or labayan ng PC. Kanya gina-whip din niya sa likod.
Onward.
Kuya talawa lang.
Yes, dito.
I go. I. Well-gotten gains. Truth compels me.
Huwag nyo tanan. Pati ang king.
Spawn of sorcery.
Pati si Roshan, mahok niya.
Out of my way. Not enough mana. Onward.
Middle is missing.
Meron is missing.
As thou wilt.
Hala ka. Oh, nice. Diba? Nice.
I go.
Ito na siya. Si Pudge kay. Random na siya, random.
Oh, random. Ay, si Butchok na.
Ito na pa.
Ay, si Butchok. Day na. Banga, di ay. Ay.
Ay.
Atik lang. Atik lang.
I go.
Sino yung
Yes.
tingin mo dito sa video?
Tis on thy head. Such sorcery shall not prevail. Begone. Get thee hence. My grace.
That is a double kill.
I've sundered this cabal.
Yeah.
None shall hinder me.
Oh, fire.
Five creatures.
Pero hindi dagat na tuben ko pang
The true path.
toyo pa rin.
Wala.
Truth compels me.
The kill spree.
Out of my way.
Oh, kasag. Ano na dia?
Ah,
Ulit siya sa mid.
Plus strength,
Ayas mo,
plus
Abid.
strength pa na pag wadaog.
none shall hinder me.
Angon sa? Legion?
Dili.
Dili.
Your
Kung
bottom
madaog
tower is under
ka,
attack.
bonus damage na siya, Mark. 30.
Ano.
Hindi na. Bonus damage na siya. Oh, nga, kumastak yung damage, Mark. Plus 1.
Oh shit.
Wala ang prosan.
I
Dili
go.
na. Permanent na.
Ano? Wala sa
Truth compels me.
patay ka siya.
Yeah,
Kitabangan yung katsok na lagot niya sa mo.
Increase ng damage.
As thou wilt.
Mga bonus damage.
The path is clear.
Your top tower is under attack. The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Ay, gahin na kayo ko. Hindi na kumawan ng tower. Ay.
Onward.
Wow.
Tis
Nice.
mine. Out of my way. To aid my cause.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I light the darkness. The true path.
Hala ka.
I go.
Neutral rin. Para asa naman siya?
Tulad ko slums.
Ano lang na siya. Neutral. Maybe.
Minute.
Add stats mo na. Or
Kailangan ko ng port.
Out of my way.
dilim. Dilim mo o
The path is clear.
man. Delay. Creep ay kana need mo og mag-kill og jungle. Ay mag-kill sa jungle.
I'll take that.
Yes.
Mo-drop pa siya, mo-drop.
None shall hinder me.
Ay dili mag-drop siya. Tapos ikaw na pili sa upat.
Silence.
Spawn.
He is.
The cost of magic.
Di ko na kuy kay basig wis.
Again.
Onward.
Nakagulo na sila dito. Kaya lang.
Train bodies.
Dude, press up a bit.
Big smile on your big dumb face. Oh, this is a mega kill.
I'm under attack. Be gone.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Dire's structures are fortified. The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Ang TP lang ko.
As thou will it.
Parang too late na.
Mugo na ka.
The path is
Agol.
yes.
Ala namatay.
Down.
Hurt na siya sa... Look, what?
Okay daw. Panggay daw.
Your middle tower is under attack.
It's not time yet. As thou will it.
Tanga.
I go.
Your top tower is under
I
attack.
go.
Really.
Truth compels me.
Unstoppable.
Onward.
Nasa ko.
Bounce engine.
Out of my way. I lighten thy load.
Punta ka din na si
Gag.
Bawyer.
None shall hinder me.
Ano ram siya ng stress?
The true
Your
path.
bottom tower has fallen.
Agad.
Pad ko bay. Sa mark?
Crit man na siya naman.
As thou will it.
Creep?
I can show. Hello.
Hello, critic na siya, crit. Crit. Ayun.
Nagyan po niya sa skill ng dito kalaban.
Track mo, track.
Track ko yun.
Mabounty ka. Yeah.
Not yet.
I don't think this has anything to do with this.
Agay. Oh, matay.
Look at him go.
Matay na di ko.
Track ko yung one ko. Cry na lang ito.
Try ka na lang.
Ang adoy. Moves.
Prof nakalimot. Wala ka mag-game sa una.
Yes. Matay. Oy.
Ay, fight of characters na, Mark.
Wala ka ni tabang sa
Ay,
mid.
bitch. Asa man?
Hala.
Asa man?
Robin.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I
Bitawan.
renew my oath to
Dire's
defeat all
structures are
sorcery.
fortified.
Bitawan yung mag-run.
9-0 na din ang buwan. Bounty. Kaya ano.
Na may
Onward.
pagkuto ron? Ata?
Your middle tower has fallen.
Now count thy costs. I go. Tis on thy head.
Track.
Yes.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Nagyan po ito.
Yes.
None shall hinder me.
Ayun lang.
Onward. Have at me. Yes.
Wala may wards.
Truth compels me.
Trash talk.
I.
Your middle tower is under
Sila
attack.
isa. Ay, wow.
The true path.
Ibig. Wala.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Yes.
I go. Magic dash. The path is clear. As thou wilt. I go.
Your middle
Okay.
tower is under attack.
Ay,
Agay.
As thou wilt.
ayatis.
Onward.
Mas pasal. Ganun lang. Pindi na ta.
I go.
Si Bounty.
11-0 na
Grabe siya,
ba?
shuriken.
Your
Hello,
middle
Ivan
tower
natin.
is under attack.
Mag-bounce siya, Mark.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Depende sa mga
The
na
path is
track.
clear.
Tulo ka track na hero ng yun. Mag-bounce na siya sa track.
Pwede siya multiple day na hero dahil.
The true path.
Oh, multiple, oh. Ma-expire gapon siya.
I like the night. I go.
Skull.
Yes.
Oh,
Pay
gosh.
for thy
Your
lack.
bottom tower is under attack.
Huwag na porta. Lasing, kailangan ito. Wala may gabit-bit ng lasing.
Truth
Is
compels.
Spirit Breaker, di gabit-bit ng gas. Kaluoy ba niya?
Nung 3K mga
None shall hinder me.
Wala pa man yung ano, ganin, padikit Diyos. Eco slums.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
The path is clear.
Your
No.
bottom tower has fallen.
Vile creatures.
Hindi, gogi. Yeah, grabe, dude.
I go.
Grabe. Ay,
Onward.
nabi na din natin.
Buti yun.
I go.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Kaya
Dire
kailangan mga
structures are
support.
fortified.
Last na ni, last.
Radiant structures are fortified. Your
Kahit
bottom
manahiming nga
tower
yung
is
mga
under
support.
attack.
Gulat yung kuwan to ba, mag-eco slam. Huwag yung kulisukol. Tama palagi ba?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
As thou wilt.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Kung sa man ko dere.
I'll strike
Lang.
thee down.
Your
Wala
middle
lang.
tower is under attack.
Now count thy costs.
Your bottom barracks
Ito
has
lang.
fallen.
Yes.
Ay, ayan, matay ko. Gas. Oo, double kill. Tapos lang.
Gay.
Agay, agay.
Gay.
Apa na oh? Pati na. Ay? Boom. Kapuya pa na nakalaban.
Grabe, mga pro man eh. Okay. It's nice to meet you.
Kapuya pa namin.
Na, kahit ang laser sa muli. Pultihan lagi dun.
The stout heart knows no fear.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'm not ready.
Uy!
Oh shit. Oy! Sibay mo kayo naglihok ng kuan?
Your middle barracks are under attack. Your middle tower is under attack.
Uy! Wala kay go. Right, good. Sinal out or bug agay.
Round game na. Uy! Huwag kayo!
Your middle
Report lang,
barracks
report.
has fallen.
Report.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.
From this moment, none shall withstand me.
Your ancient is under attack. Your ancient is under attack. Radiant victory.
Defeated!
Wala, GG. Wala. Nako. Tama na. Nakachok. Kamu.
It's your ban. 5 seconds. It's your ban. 5 seconds. Ten seconds.
to. Seek the foe. Fangs bared.
Today in this fantasy forest land, history will be made. Blood will be spilled.
We must meet this threat head
Ancients
on.
will be defended by you and the 4 loads you came in with.
Who calls me? Right. Set upon them. Yes. Fiercely now. I merely cuffed you. Claws out. We will. Set upon them. Against all strife.
You get nothing.
For the forest. Right.
Uy, Chewie.
Tracks of intruders. Trinkets. Yes. I'm under attack. Join with me. The enemy is near. Interloper. Yes. We fight as one. Let them see our teeth.
Axe defies
Your boot get back. Tracks of intruders. Yes. Fangs back. Cold and sweet. Yes. Yes. We fight as one. The enemy is near. Seek the foe. Let them
An exquisite toxin. I believe that works.
Ayan.
Kill spree. Oh, yes, that is a double kill.
For the forest.
Yun, nasa buong agay patay. Pag-uwi pa.
Against all strife.
Patay lang. Super. Nice one.
For the cubs. Fiercely now. Take heed. I'm not ready. Go to. It's not time yet. I join
Uy, namatay.
wild spirits. To be so chosen is an honor. Oh! Attack! I'm not ready.
That should help.
Right. Come near. I'm not ready. Join with me. Get some. I think
Ipin.
You are unstoppable.
silence.
Buong agay.
No.
Top tower is down.
I'll still rage.
Whoa, that's an ugly double kill. It even fell on me.
Set upon them. Who calls me? Yes. Running from the cold. Fall upon them! I'll rend their flesh. Yes. For the forest. Not yet.
Kill spree.
It's
Look
not
at you
time
go.
yet.
Hacking at limbs, blood
will.
spraying everywhere. Just adorable.
Not yet. Interloper. It's not time yet. Against all strife. On notice. Tracks of intruders. Not yet. I'm under attack. The enemy is near. Not yet.
Uh-oh. Dyer's fortified their structures.
I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Join with me. Set upon them. Yes. I'm not ready. Wish I never stooped to notice you.
Wala ka. Wala ka.
We fight as one. That's all it takes to kill you. God, push them back. It's not time yet.
Ay, Pinagana.
Set upon them.
Ha! Their middle tower is down.
Seek the foe.
Might want to look into your bottom tower. You know what? It's probably fine.
Fall upon them. Who calls me?
Bottom tower's under attack there. Might want to haul ass over to your top tower.
Yan, si Win, igo na sa... Naguta, ano? Yan, si Win, igo na sa... Pipis. Rush 3-5.
Who calls me? Set upon them. Trinkets. I'll rend their flesh. Ah, awakening from within. Yes. Wait. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Join with me. Not yet.
Tayo natin nun.
Middle tower's taking a beating.
Sit upon them. Go to. Right. Claws out. Let them see.
Pinalalambot din sila pakwan.
Yes.
Pinalalambot din sila pakwan.
Yes.
Double kill.
Fangs bared. Tracks of intruders.
He didn't need it anyway. Would it help? Yeah. Killing spree! Killing spree! Killing spree!
Pwede wala ikuan. Pwede wala ibikib.
For the forest. We fight as one. Not yet.
Yati antay man ako ni tanan oy.
Fiercely now.
Tay na ko sana.
Trifles. We will. The enemy is near.
Building.
Yes. I'm not ready. Against all strife.
Middle tower might need a little attention. You fortified your structure.
Interloper.
Middle tower's taking a beating.
Yes.
All right, middle tower's down.
Join with me.
Not the worst news. I mean, it's in the top 10 worst news, but
Under attack. I'm your god too. Go to. Now. Fangs bared.
your middle tower might need a little attention.
Tracks of intruders.
Sorry, Chok.
Your middle tower's taking a beating. All right, middle tower's down.
Antay kay ko tanan mo.
I know
Di
you
ko
wish
kambag.
that tower was a part of you, but
Against all
I
strife.
would want you
Ay
to go on.
stun na root.
It's not time yet.
Okay, pali.
Hey, your top tower's under attack. Maybe don't let them do what they're doing. Do you need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed. It is pretty fun, destroying towers. Your opponents must be having the best time up there. I can't believe what I'm seeing.
We fight as one. Right.
Might want to haul
Set
ass
upon
over
them.
your top tower.
I'm
Hindi
not
naman
ready.
sa mundo eh.
You really need to handle this.
Yes.
Your top tower just fell over.
Who calls me?
I envy you. I do.
I'm not
To be
ready.
in such a terrible situation. Your top tower is
A
under
victim
attack.
of your
The
own
enemy is
many
near.
mistakes.
Let's see how this plays out.
to know
Maybe
what
it's just
that
a
feels
very stupid trap.
Yes. Right. Let them see our teeth. We will. Come near. For the forest. Black King Bar. Yes. Fangs bared.
There it goes.
Who calls me? Another swatted down. Take heed. Not yet.
Immortality?
For the forest. Right. Right. Join with me. We will.
Might want to look into your bottom tower. Your bottom tower is under attack there.
Yes.
Might want to look into your bottom tower.
Sit upon
Bottom
them.
tower's under attack there. I mean, I'm no expert, but yeah, that's coming down. Might want to look into your bottom tower. Yeah, I'd get over there if I was you. I have good news if you hated your bottom tower. Great news, in fact.
The enemy is near. Let them see our team. Yes.
Oh, gagay. Very good. Wala ka pa dyan.
You might have been a fancy man in heaven, but down here, you are nothing next to Axe.
Your bottom tower's under attack there.
Big bro. I-check lang. I-check. Nag-hit ka. Ayaw na. Masisok lang.
Not Axe.
Good work down there. Also, just so you know, I have called the police.
Ah, ba't yun?
Tracks of
Hey, now ease up there, Ken. Oh, yes. Stack up those corpses and, I don't know, build a cabin out of them.
I'm not ready. Yes. I'm not ready. Fiercely now. It's not time yet. Not yet. Seek the foe. Set upon them. Not yet. Yes. It's not time yet. Your blood is mine. Take heed. For the forest. Not yet. Set upon them. I'm not ready. Fall upon them. Not yet. We fight as one. Tracks of intruders. I'm not ready. Right. Set upon them. Join with me.
Laro mo kayo. Oh, patay. Patay. Ito. Patay ka. Lulalan. Oh. Oh.
Is that all?
Oh, kurang. Oh, naman.
I thought I was excited before. No, now I'm watching a kill spree.
Laka.
What's going on down there? Is that a kill?
Kaya
Double
din.
homicide. Is this? Kill. Homicide makes it sound bad. It
Nali
was a
siya ko
double
ang
kill.
stun. Yes.
I am so goddamn proud of you. Man. Punch that all triple kill.
Immortality. Right. Go to. Yes. Against all strife. Who calls me? Behold my fangs and fear. Fangs bared.
Finders, keepers.
Fiercely now. We will. The enemy is near.
Biktima tuh dari.
Let them see our teeth.
Great, their bottom tower is all busted.
Come near. Seek the foe. Yes. Yes. We fight as one.
Dyer's fortified their structures. That's no good for us. Look at those structures. 45. Their bottom tower's down.
Seek the foe. Set upon them. Who calls me? For the forest. Right. Yes. Honey from the comb. For the cubs. It's not time yet. Yes. I'm not ready. I'm under attack. Not yet. It's not time yet. Tracks of intruders.
Ay, ay. Pero, agad. Joke, bakit?
All is silence.
The middle tower's taking a beating. They say history is written by the victors, so you might save yourself a writing assignment here.
With a fierce heart, I rejoin the fray.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. I wouldn't just ignore these. Show these are under attack. They'll never stop bullying that poor tower.
Kill spree! I'm coming, friend. With me.
Join with me. Go to. Not yet. Come no closer. Sit upon them.
The pain.
It's not time yet. I'm not ready.
Dominating.
The enemy is near. I'm not ready. Thanks, Bird. Tracks of intruders.
Ay?
Have no honor.
Ito na.
Get some. Old friends, fear not, my kin, for I come to your aid. The enemy is near. Fangs bared.
Might want to look into your bottom tower.
Let them see our
I wouldn't
teeth.
sweat it. These things are built to take a lot of punishment. Well,
For the forest. We will.
Uy. Matay bang ko?
bottom tower is no longer tip top.
What the?
This is a monster kill. Triple kill. When you can get to it, your bottom barracks is being dismantled. Oh, for...
Weird.
Take out your bottom barracks.
Wala, pangit kayo sa dula, so.
You know, bigger fish, your tower is being attacked. It doesn't mean it's not. How do you like your middle tower? I hope you like it destroyed, because it is. Oh, crap. Your ancient's taking a walk.
No! We shall be slaughtered in our dens!